In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Open to Work frame on LinkedIn Mobile. If you turned on Open to Work and noticed the green hashtag Open to Work banner around your profile photo, this walkthrough will show you how to hide that frame while still letting recruiters know you're open to opportunities. We'll do everything inside the LinkedIn mobile app so you can follow along on your phone. Start by opening the LinkedIn app. From your home page, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. A small panel will appear. Tap your profile icon again to open your full LinkedIn profile. This takes you to the page where your photo, headline, and all your details are visible. On your profile, look for the Open to Work section. You'll see a small pencil icon next to it. Tap the pencil icon to edit your Open to Work preferences. This is where LinkedIn controls both the details of your job search and who can see that you're open. Scroll down to the visibility section titled Who Can View Your Open to Work. You'll see two choices. The first option is Recruiters Only. This limits visibility to people using LinkedIn Recruiter. LinkedIn also tries to hide your status from recruiters at your current company, but it clearly notes that complete privacy cannot be guaranteed. The second option is All LinkedIn Members. That includes recruiters and everyone else on LinkedIn, including people at your current company. Choosing this second option is what adds the hashtag Open to Work photo frame to your profile picture. To remove the green frame from your photo, select Recruiters Only. This keeps your signal private to recruiters while removing the public banner from your profile picture. After selecting Recruiters Only, tap Save. Once you save, the Open to Work frame will be removed from your profile photo, but your preferences will still be visible to recruiters who use LinkedIn Recruiter. A quick recap. Open the LinkedIn app, go to your profile by tapping your profile icon twice, tap the pencil next to Open to Work, scroll to the visibility settings, choose Recruiters Only, and save. That's all you need to do to keep your search discreet and remove the public frame. This approach is helpful if you want to signal your interest to recruiters without broadcasting it to your network. Just remember LinkedIn's note that while they try to block visibility from your current company, absolute privacy can't be guaranteed. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching.